Ooh, a spicy-looking treat. I am on the gulp gulp case.
My head has a tiny heartbeat.
Ryder! I have a red planet on my face. Help!
Chase, is that you? Or did a giant fruit attack your face?
It is too hot. My ice pack turned into a puddle.
Not the chair. Anything but the chair.
Careful, Marshall. It looks like it is pressurized.
Eddie. Do not sneeze now.
Don't worry, buddy. This old thing hasn't failed a building yet.
Explosion! Locked and loaded.
Rocky, do not pop the police dog.
What in the world happened here? I think I am going to fly.
Hold still. This slime is really sticky.
I am helping.
Much better. But I still smell like berries. Whew. I have never been so happy to have a small nose.
Lesson learned. Check your snacks first.
Let us go get some real pizza now. The nose is back. It is chasing me. This pup's gotta fly.
I am back on the key and I am back on the case.
You cannot catch me! Pups, to the lookout!
Looking good, Chase. No more toes here.
I am first!
No more glowing berries, okay, Marshall?
No more tomatoes.
See you next time, pups!
A super spicy snack. Chase is on the GULP case.
My nose feels like a firework! Ryder! I have a red planet on my face. Help! Chase! Is that you? Or did a giant fruit attack your face? It is too hot. My ice pack turned into a puddle. Not the chair. Anything but the chair.
I feel like a strapped-in space pup.
Rocky is on the extraction case. Green means go for the big squeeze.
Don't worry, buddy. This old thing hasn't failed a building yet. This is not a rough rescue.
Locked and loaded.
Rocky, a leak.
Do not worry, buddy. It is just a little pinch for a very big nose.
I think I am going to fly. I am leaking, Jing.
I have never been so happy to have a small nose. Good as new. Just do not sniff any more glowing peppers.
Whenever you are in trouble, just yelp for help.
The nose is back. It is chasing me.
Paw Patrol is on a roll. And no more tomatoes. I am back on the case.
This pup's gotta fly.
Great job, Rocky. You really nailed it. Looking good, Chase. No more tomatoes here.
What a relief. Everything is back to normal.
You are a brave pup, Chase.
No job is too big, no pup is too small.
See you next time, pups.
This place is spooky. But what is that pretty blue light in the water? Whoa! It is super slippery. Help! Ryder, anyone? What was that? Please be a dolphin. 5? There are 5 of them! Help me! Please! Somebody save me! I do not want to be shark food!
Chase is on the case. We have got a shark emergency.
Too close! Way too close! Sorry for the mess. Subzuma is here, dudes! Go for the glow, fishy friends! So cold.
Gotcha. Safe and sound.
Thanks, pups. No more dark pools for me. Whenever you are in trouble, just yelp for help. I am so glad you guys came. I am so glad you guys came.
Great teamwork, Zuma.
Time to head back to the lookout.
Let us get you home, Skye.
Never again! Never again!
Everything is loaded.
Subzuma, heading out.
You did great, Skye.
Home sweet home.
tonight! Sleep tight, Skye.
Mission accomplished! Mission accomplished!
Extra crunchy recycling. Zuma is on a snack roll.
Uh-oh. Trying to drive away.
Ryder!
Help! I am carrying a junkyard in my tummy.
It feels like a metal party, and I'm the dance floor. Zuma, did you swallow a garbage truck? It smells like old fish. This is a clear case of illegal littering. Inside a pup.
Ready for the reveal. Let us see the junk.
It is a full recycling bin in there.
A whole tire? Zuma, you are not a monster truck. Here comes the world's biggest burp. Ready, Zuma?
There goes the fish. I can breathe again.
Great job, team. The junkyard is officially closed.
I feel light as a feather. No more recycling snacks for me.
Case closed. Let us get back to the lookout.
This pup's gotta fly. To the slide.
Ready for a real ride, not a belly ride.
Whenever you are in trouble, just yelp for help.
And keep Rack in the bin.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Yo.
Ooh, a strawberry sparkle treat. My tummy is ready. My paw feels like it is full of fizzy soda. Help! My paw is a beach ball. I am floating away. It is too tight. It is going to pop.
Dr. Zuma is on the case. Time for special treatment.
Let us see how much air is in this doggy balloon. No, not the needle, not the needle, please. No. Skibbity Rubble is about to go boom.
Lets out a silent, slow-motion gasp.
It was not a real emergency? Zuma, I will get you.
Those two never learn.
This is going to be a... This is going to be a great prank. Now the doctor gets a taste of his own medicine. Did you see Rubble's face earlier?
Oh, that was too funny. Oh no, not again.
Rubble, you are a pink marshmallow. Marshmallow.
Hold still, Rubble.
Almost clean. That is better. Now, where is Zuma? The Paw Patrol is ready for the ultimate prank. Aha! The doctor went this way. Stay quiet, Rubble. We almost have him. Pillows? Where did he go? Where did he go?
Just a little bit more.
I can stop my paws. They have a mind of their own. This is the best party ever.
I am the biggest pup now. How do you like being a balloon, Doctor? Great work, team! Prank mission accomplished.
No more glowing cupcakes for me. Whenever you are in trouble, just yelp for help!
Chase on the case. Just making sure the school kids are safe. Wait, that exhaust smells like oil. Mechanical groaning sound. Whoa! That bus just sprouted legs! I think it is a giant spider bus.
Ouch! My tail! It has got my tail! I am a pa-pumpka-bob! Help me! Help me!
This is way worse than the vet's office.
Don't let go, Image One! I am cutting you loose! This pup has got to fly and blind a bus.
I am fired up. Let's wash this monster away. I am free! Free!
But my tail feels like a toasted marshmallow.
One-way trip to the garage, monster! All better. Next time, I am taking the subway. Whenever you are in trouble, just yelp for help.
It started out as a normal day on patrol.
That is definitely not normal fuel. The wheels! Look at the wheels!
Pups, we have a monster bus on the loose.
I have the target in my sights. I can't hold on much longer. Hang on, Image One. Almost there. Yes, it is working.
Stick around, Monster Buzz!
I'm back on the case. Great work, team. Great work, team. Mission accomplished. A small price to pay for Adventure Bay, Bay.
Image 1. Are you okay?
I'm okay, Skye. Thanks for the backup. No job is too big, no pup is too small.
See you next time, citizens. Huh.
Let's go home, Paw Patrol! No one will ever find us here, Skye.
Chase is going to love this. Best friend pizza night is a go. Smooch sounds.
Chase? Skye? My best friends? Why, Chase? Why her?
The rain can't hide my pain. My heart is bleeding. I'm not the same pup anymore.
Marshall really knows how to pick a pizza.
If they want to play with fire, Marshall is ready to burn. Hide and seek, Chase.
Did you hear that, Chase?
Watch your step, traders. Whoa! What is this stuff? Run, Chase! He's lost it! Here's Marshall. We have nowhere to go, Skye.
You broke my heart.
Fun. Now I break your pizza.
Marshall, stop! This isn't the way.
I thought we were best friends.
Pups, we are a team. Secrets and lies hurt more than any mission.
I'm so sorry, Marshall. We never meant to hurt you. Nietzsche, can you ever forgive us? I guess everyone makes mistakes.
Best friends forever, Marshall.
How about we order a new pizza? And this time, we all share. Pizza party is back on. No job is too big, no pup is too small.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help. Don't lose it, reuse it. But maybe don't taste it?
Ryder, my tummy is slithering. Whoa! Whoa! I'm a giant green balloon! Hang on! We will get the X-ray ready.
Image 3 needs some scent of victory.
Doctor Image 1 is on the case. Time to flush these snakes.
They are not just snakes. They are glitch snakes.
Take that, you slippery noodles! Antidote deployed. Bubbles away. Patplosion!
I have never been so happy to be empty. No more green snacks for me.
Great teamwork, everyone. The bay is almost clean. All clear. No more slithering inside.
We need to mark this zone as hazardous.
Green means go. And go safely this time. This will keep everyone away from those canisters. Safety first for every pup.
Now these are the kind of snacks we like.
Paw Patrol is on a roll.
One pup's glitch is another pup's rug. Coming down! Catch the thread.
Mission accomplished, team.
The snake rug dance floor is open.
Say cheese. Just the regular stuff today, please.
Everything looks great. Everything looks great from up here.
No more snakes, only dreams.
Another day saved by the Paw Patrol.
Whenever you are in trouble, just yelp for help.
Too many treats. Marshall is on the run to the bathroom.
Ah, privacy. The best part of the morning.
Is the toilet shivering? I didn't know we had a heated seat. Skibidi dop dop dop, yes, yes, yes! Welcome to my porcelain palace, pup! The mayor is in the potty!
Not the polka dots. Not in front of the Skibidi mayor. Ryder. Chase! The toilet has a face and it likes my pants! Marshall? Why are you? And why is the mayor a noodle?
Chase is on the case. Time to flush this funny business. Being a toilet monster is hungry work. Yum. Grr. Curse these pillars. I'm stuck like a shoelace. Bark. Time to flush this noise. Chase is on the case.
Ryder, the control switch is in the bathroom. Someone has to go back in.
No more tricks. This fire pup is taking charge.
Time for the big plunge. Ready, pups?
The suction. Curse you, Paw Patrol!
Problem flushed. Adventure Bay is safe once again. Whew. I've never been so happy to see a normal toilet. From now on, only fresh veggies for this pup. No more magic cupcakes.
Look, Marshall, I found your favorite pattern.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help. But check the toilet first.
Found it! I thought the toilet monster took this too. Testing, 1, 2. Is this thing on? You can't catch me, Chase. You can't catch me, Chase.
All systems clear. No more skee-beady signals in the area.
I'm okay. Just a little wardrobe malfunction. Adventure Bay is safe on my watch. Good job today, Marshall. You were very brave.
Ready for some mega waves, dudes?
Wait, what did I just step on?
Whoa! My foot is turning into a tomato! Ryder! Help! My foot is taking over the city!
It is too big! It is going to explode! Dr. Chase is on the case. We need the Mega Punter needle.
Zuma is a round football! Look at that needle!
Steady. Steady. I am leaking!
Phew. I have never been so happy to have a normal-sized paw. Another successful surgery. Another successful surgery.
Did I miss a party or a medical emergency? He thinks my big foot was a joke. Uh-oh, my foot feels ticklish.
Who is laughing now, Rocky?
Looks like we need one more tiny poke.
I can't watch this part again. Okay, I learned my lesson. No more laughing. Cleaning up is a lot easier with normal paws.
Always wear your water shoes at the beach.
These are possum. No more giant feet for me. Safety first means fun lasts. Check out these moves, dudes!
Go, Zuma, go.
I am okay. Okay, just a little wet.
Careful there, Rocky!
Best beach day ever, even with the giant foot.
Remember, pups, stay safe and keep barking. See you next time.
Quiet, chattering sound.
Closer, just a little bit closer.
Ryder! Look out! A megabug is going for the gulp! The centipede is having a Ryder sandwich.
Spicy. Wake up, Ryder! You're turning into an insect.
Muffled. What is this, Noodle? Out! Get out of my throat! Wait, it's just a gummy worm? Chase?
The glow bug prank worked! Rubble was so scared.
Very funny, Chase. I was just... Side Chenny checking my popcorn for bugs. Tiny evil giggle.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help. And stay away from neon candy.
See you next time, pups. Stay safe.
I know you're here somewhere, Mr. Spiky Legs.
Target spotted. Oh, it's just you, Rubble.
Nothing but crumbs. Chase must have cleaned up.
Gotcha now! Pranks for you. No pranks for you.
A feather duster? I really need to stop eating popcorn before bed. Let's go get some real snacks, Rubble.
Real food for real heroes. No more glowing gummy worms tonight. It's
Oh boy! Carrots! My favorite crunch. This puppy's got a fly for some celery.
good job today, pups. Adventure Bay is safe from giant bugs.
And remember, always check your popcorn. Bye-bye! Ooh, a glow-in-the-dark treat. Yum! Uh-oh. That candy is dancing in my tummy. Ryder! Help! My tummy is growing a mountain!
We need a bigger room. She is expanding too fast. I think I am the biggest pup in the world now.
I am coming out.
It is a space monster! Don't eat us! Don't worry. One poke and that alien will be sleeping. Creepy giggling sound out.
Out! It is tickling my insides.
My scanner says it is 100% pure glitch. It is made of space candy. I am fired up to fall down again. Puny poops!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118
If it is space candy, it hates the cold. Stand back, pups. That is cold. Melting bubble sounds.
Time for a massive burp. Here it comes. RP, excuse me.
Phew. I have never been so happy to be small. It was not a real monster, just a mega expansion gummy.
We will have this room back together in no time. Healthy snacks keep your tummy from becoming a spaceship.
No! It is an alien.
This will look wonderful on my desk.
Whenever you are in trouble, just yell for help.
This egg needs a haircut. Gossett needs a haircut. It is too sticky.
No more belly monsters for us.
Deep breaths. And no more snacks.
We really are the best team in the galaxy.